Hey guys, probably many of you need a webcam, but not everyone wants to buy one. I have the perfect solution for you. Today I want to explain to you how to use your smartphone as an external webcam for your computer. So let's get started. You probably never thought about it, but your smartphone is a pretty good camera. It will probably provide you with better picture quality than some expensive webcams. Think about it for a second. Nowadays, cameras in smartphones can compete with cameras from the low and middle price range. What's more, they often win the fight. In a moment I will show you how I have created my own webcam from my phone. The first step is to install appropriate software on your smartphone. I am using the IP Webcam app. You can download and install it from the Google Play Store. The next step is to run the app on your phone. Then we scroll through all the options to the bottom and search the Start Server option. After starting the server, we need to read the address of our camera, which is at the bottom of the screen. In my case, it is 192.168.1.11 IP address at port 8080. Next step is to enter this address into the web browser. If everything works and you set it up correctly, the effect should look like this. One more piece of information. If you can use a Wi-Fi 5 GHz band or an Ethernet cable, then I strongly recommend that you do just that. It is faster and it can carry more data, which has a positive effect on the image quality. Going back to the camera settings visible in the browser, you need to select one of the image preview options. You can choose from Flash browser, Java and JavaScript. I recommend selecting browser option. When you choose one of the options, you will still have to do just one more thing. You will need to configure the stream quality. You should keep it as high as possible while keeping the smoothness of the image. Now we need a URL that we will paste to the application acting as a virtual camera. It's very simple. Next to the image preview option, we have a full screen button. We need to click it, then copy the link from the bar at the top of the browser. Now we can go to the final step. You need to install OBS. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software. It is a cross-platform program that is used for both recording and streaming. You can find a link to it in the description below. Then we run the app. We need to create a new scene and add an image source to it. We choose browser option and name it. Then paste the URL copied earlier. We stretch the image to the desired size and center it by clicking Ctrl D. The last thing we have to do is to run a virtual webcam. Now it is visible in our system as an ordinary webcam. Everything is set up. The only thing left to do is to put the smartphone in a place. I prefer to place it on a tripod behind the screen. I also recommend connecting it to the charger because the IP Webcam app needs a lot of computing power and drains the battery quickly. Thank you for your attention. I hope I helped at least one of you to solve the problem of lack of the webcam. I hope that I also helped those who could not opt for the purchase of real webcam because of the low price ratio to the image quality. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe and comment.